In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to draft proposals and contracts with Copy AI, helping you save time and work smarter, not harder. If you're tired of starting from scratch every time you need to write a proposal or contract, this tool will streamline the process and give you professional results in minutes. Stick around to the end for an exclusive offer you won't want to miss. First, let's jump into the software. With Copy AI, drafting proposals and contracts becomes incredibly easy. Start by selecting the proposal or contract template. This is where Copy AI shines. You'll input a few details about your business, the scope of work, and any terms or clauses specific to your project. The AI will take it from there and generate a structured, professional document for you. What's great about Copy AI is how it adapts to your specific needs. For proposals, it can help you craft compelling project descriptions, timelines, and budgets. For contracts, it generates legally sound language and the necessary clauses to ensure everything is clear and professional. The real benefit here is speed. With traditional contract or proposal writing, you're spending hours creating a document that still needs to be reviewed, edited, and possibly rewritten. With Copy AI, you get a solid starting point in minutes, cutting down your writing time significantly. You'll have a polished document ready to go in no time. Here's where it gets even better. This software doesn't just generate boilerplate text, it tailors its content to your specific needs. If you're working in a niche industry or need specific clauses, you can customize it to fit. Simply tweak any part of the document after Copy AI generates it, and you'll have a professional proposal or contract that fits your business perfectly. I know there are a lot of options out there for proposal and contract generators, but after testing several tools, this software has been my go-to. It's powerful, flexible, and fast. I've even included a link to an exclusive free trial for you in the description below. Available only to viewers of this channel, so if you want to follow along with me step by step, that's a great opportunity. Now, let's wrap this up with the key takeaway. Drafting proposals and contracts doesn't have to be a painful, time-consuming task. With Copy AI, you can create customized, professional documents in minutes. Remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to dive deeper and try this out for yourself. To quickly recap, first, choose the right template. Second, input your details and let the AI do the work. Third, customize and review your document. And lastly, don't forget to grab the free trial link in the description if you want to speed up your drafting process and get professional results every time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.